Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Uche and I live in Australia with my family. So today we are going to take the train for the first time. We've been in Australia for quite a while and we've been living in regional Queensland and we have never entered train before. So today we wanted to go use the train to go to the CBD. CBD means the Central Business District. For you to enter train, tram or buses in Victoria, you need this. It's called Mikey. Yeah, it's a card. You can get this card from news agency or you can go to the train station and purchase seats. Then you put in the amount you want to have inside. So this card can take you whether you're going to enter a bus or a tram or a train. I know that other states have their own, like in Queensland, ours is MyGo, and right here it's called Mikey card. So if you're coming to Melbourne, you don't have a car and you don't want to be spending a lot of money, get yourself a Mikey card. All right, if you have a car and you want to use the train, it's not a problem. You can always drive your car to the train station and park it there, then use the train to go wherever you're going to. So that is one good thing about living in metropolitan. Without talking too much guys, let us go to the train station.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow.
Guess what guys, we missed our train with all the running. Oh my god, I need to start exercising. Yeah, so we wait for another one. Oh, see how I'm panting because I ran. Since we missed this one, we are going to wait for another 20 minutes to catch up with the next one. Oh God, where is our gum series? I beg you, come help your sister. I need to start exercising. This small run that I did, I'm just panting anyhow. Oh my goodness. Just showing you guys around.
If you want to top up your Mikey card, this is how you do it. You put in your card in on this point, then you tap either top up my money or top up my pass. So whichever one you want to top up our money. So which of the zones? Either zone 1 and zone 2 only, which mostly is what we normally do. So we top up zone 1 and 2. With this, it all depends on the number of days you want to recharge. But because of this video, I'm not going to top up any because I already have a couple of credit on my card. So afterwards, you just put in your credit card, phone or whatever, and that is all. You just take off your card afterwards. But for this video, I'm not going to do anything because I already have. Welcome back to my wife's station, not mine. We're at the tram station. You can see my wife here. She's smiling, waiting patiently. And there's Melbourne also waiting patiently.
The youngest son.
Yeah. And there's Rafa covering his face, but he's going to raise his head up. He's waiting patiently as well. And there's Michelle.
So our train just arrived right now and we're about to enter the train to the CBD. And this is us entering the train. We just got to find where to sit. We wanted to sit together. This is me blushing. Rafa was making me blush. And Hobby taking selfie with Melvin. And Michelle also tagging along to be in the selfie. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video till we get to the CBD, okay?
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you. You know, say yo, my baby, you know, right with you, my baby, I don't cover that, I die for you, I pray to the Lord.
We just arrived the CBD station right now and we're about to get down from the train.
I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me.
So So this is Melbourne CBD, guys. From here I'll be showing you guys around because it's New Year's Eve. People are outside and everywhere is filled with a lot of things, food, just name it. So I'll just be showing you guys around, okay?
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go.
I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. Live life like it's a piece and break the rules. I wanna wake up in the morning.
After the long walk, I stopped by in an Asian shop to try their oyster sauce with prawn, and man, it was so delicious. Nobody wanted to eat what I was eating. The kids wanted their usual KFC and McDonald's. So I love rice. I'm an African woman, so I stick with my rice. What a day, guys. So we're still in the metro train station trying to figure out our way back. We'll be coming back here again in the night just to see the PS fireworks, but we need to get home first. So yeah, see me sweating after eating a bowl of Chinese food. Yeah, so this is me ending this video here. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
So go ahead and show